Hey everyone, welcome back to the How To channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this content is not available on Instagram. So let's explore the possible reasons and how to fix them. So the first reason can be that content might be deleted by the user. If someone deletes a photo or video they posted, you would not be able to view it anymore. Now to check this, open the Instagram app on your device and then click on the message icon in the top right corner. Then what you have to do is click on person's name who sent the link, and if the content has been deleted by the user, you will see the message post not available. And the second reason can be your Instagram might need an update or there could be a problem on Instagram's end. Now in order to update the app, open your App Store or Google Play Store and then search for Instagram app in the search bar. If an update is available, then click on update. After updating, check again to see if the issue is resolved. And if updating doesn't work, then Instagram itself might be experiencing technical issues. To check for an outage, open your preferred web browser and search for Down Detector. From the search results, click on first link and then search for Instagram in the search bar. Now you will see a graph showing if the Instagram is facing any problems. If the site is down, you will need to wait until Instagram resolves the issue. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.